Hey guys, what's going on? You guys probably remember this car. This is my grandmother's 2004 Buick Rendezvous CXL. I've had a lot of people ask me about it, and there really hasn't been much that's changed with it, except just a couple things. Figured I'd go ahead and do the update while I could. So, let's go get started. My Nikon camera actually went out on me, so this is kind of a test video to see how everything does. That's why I'm using my iPhone. $91,000 miles. Does have rear parking assist? Really, the only thing I don't like about this iPhone, as far as camera-wise, I have to stand pretty far back just to film almost the entire thing. It's got a 3.4 liter V6. Leather seats are in still perfect condition, or almost. I need to do some spring cleaning, obviously, but other than that, it's pretty good. Alright, let's go and turn it around. Shut it down. Well, hope everybody enjoyed the update video. Like, comment, and subscribe today.